Hello, guys. How's everybody doing today? Hello, Raptor. How you doing, my bud? How you doing? Is that Gumi? Where? Behind me? Yes, it is. It's my cat. And it's Gumi. Okay, so, you can probably guess from the title that today I'm going to be torturing myself with another language. And, yeah, I'm bringing you guys down with me. We're all going down in the depths together today. Uh, My cat is zooming around and she nicked me, bleeding bad right now all over the floor. Well, hey, you're about to be bleeding even more after you watch this stream, so, I mean, how bad can it be? Okay, I'm kidding. I'm sorry that happened. My cat's nicked me thousands of times, so I totally get it. Alrighty. Let's wait for a few more people to join, so that way we can get started. I don't know, I wanted to learn a new language, and people like C++, so I guess I'm learning C++ today, y'all. And here's the kicker. I have not written a single program in that language. I am going all in, completely brand new, fresh out of a box. That's how this is gonna be. So if anyone joins and you're a C++ like amazing person, um I'm sorry if you cringe at this video or this stream. Well, but it's gonna happen, alright? It's definitely gonna happen. That's all I'm gonna tell you. Not even Hello World. Okay, I've seen Hello World. I mean, I've seen how that looks in C++, but nothing more than that. I don't even know, like, I don't even know how to make a for loop in that. I don't know how to do a while loop. I don't know how to do a function in it. So, actually, I do know how to make a function because you have to know how to make one to do Hello World, I think. But I don't know, let's just get started here. So, I guess we can call it program dot, what is it, CPP? Yeah. Like, this is all I know. I think this is it. Or is it just this? I don't know. Oh wait, I gotta import IO stream, so IO stream and whoops. Alright, let's see if it works. Okay. Make int main, okay. So, int main std hoot hello world. Whoops. Code. Hey, it works! Yes. Wow, thank you, person in the chat. Just give up, thank you. Alright, so, but I've seen it without this statement at the end. I wonder if it, whoops, I wonder if it works the same way. It does, okay. But I imagine, yeah, this means end line. I'm assuming end L. So the only thing I could guess is, this allows it to where you would make a new line or something, I assume. Is that right? Okay, sweet. Oh, so if I did... Okay. Okay, sweet. So We should probably talk about arguments. So, something I know about C++ is there's no string. Instead, you have to use char with a asterisk, right? Because for strings, that's a collection of characters, if I'm not mistaken. So, let's just do greet. Oh, okay. So if I do include... Okay, that's sweet. So then I should be able to... Hey, that's awesome. So now, if I did greet... Okay, that's pretty cool. And then I'll drag this down here. Okay, okay, that works. Okay, so I'm understanding return statements now. That's perfect. Is there a void? Okay, there is a void. Okay, so I would use that for functions that don't return a value. Okay, this is kind of like C sharp. I'm putting a little bit of my C sharp knowledge in here, so that's actually pretty cool. All right, hold on. All right, going back up here. Yeah, yeah, it does definitely look like C sharp. I won't lie. Other than this, of course, because we used console.write for that, or .write line. Okay, so let's do a console calculator. Hold on. Is there... Hold on, is it... Aha! So I wonder if, is that it? No, there's gotta be something else with it. Or, whoops, don't need that. Ah, get line. No? Use get line. Scene input. Okay. So, okay. Give me 1 second. Give me 1 second, guys. Okay, I'm back. Hey, we got 5 viewers in. Sweet. All right, where were we? All right, before that, use cn.ignore. So n.ignore. Okay. Okay, so I'm doing something wrong here. I already know it. Hold on. All right, there we go. I'm back. Oh, you can't. Okay. So, is this like a string that goes here, like a question or something? Like, what is your name or actually, hold on, I got an idea. Uh, we're gonna figure it out here. CN input. All right, hold on. I'm extremely slow. You got to understand, guys. Okay. C++. Output. User input. Oh, shoot. Okay. So that's how we do it. Okay, that's actually kind of cool. So it automatically... So even though it's an integer, it'll interpret the user input as an integer and not as a string to where you have to convert it to an integer first. Okay, that's actually pretty cool. No, I don't know any C or any C++. I do know C sharp though. Okay, so oh whoops, let me get out of there real quick. Alright, I don't want discrete function anymore, so alright, int or actually oh wait, there we go. Alright, you know, we're just gonna do integer for now. We'll get to strings later. Oh yeah, I forgot I have a string. Okay. I have string right here. I'm being an idiot again. Alright, int x, alright, so enter a number. Oh, okay. Okay, that's cool. Alright. Give me a number, give me a number, give me a number. Alright. This is incredibly slow. Oh, okay, there we go. So, I don't know, 12. And then I can type in... Alright, perfect. Alright, that's cool. So I know how to do input and output now. Using namespace. Okay, under. Oh, okay. So then I should be able to do... Hey, that's actually pretty cool, because I don't like typing in the double colons. That's all. That always messes me up. Thank you. Okay, so, and then I should be able to just do using... Hold on. Oh, wait a minute. Hold on. Okay, yeah, that comes out of STD as well. Okay, I find that weird we don't have to do semicolons up there. We do in C#. We have to have semicolons up there, so yeah. Our switch, for, and while loops. Huh, okay. Well, I'm gonna practice that, so let's learn how to make a list. Arrays. String cars for... Okay, so let's do string cars. Volvo, Dodge, Ford, BMW. And let's bring this in our main function. What are you learning CCP for, or CPP for, may I ask? Actually, I don't know. I mean, so like at my university, we do C# and like web development languages and stuff like that, but a lot of jobs around where I'm at, they prefer us to like know like some embedded languages and such, like C and C++ and all that. So that's probably why I'm learning C++, but it's always interested me. Now, for wait, is it for each? No, for each. Yeah. And I is equal to 0. I is then cars dot length. All right, well, I'll just do 4 for now. And then I plus plus. Okay, so this is actually the same in C#. That's cool. And then yeah. All right. So in theory this should work. What do you mean? What do you mean it don't want to work? C++ is good for most of Arduino, but there's Still that electron 4, which is a C++ variant. Oh, I put a comma, that's why. But we don't need one here. Alright. So it's actually a little bit different in C sharp, I think. Because I'm pretty sure I have to have that there in C sharp. Okay, so that works. Cool. So I learned while loops. So, you know what? Let's make a, what do I want to do? Well, the commas are like the dots for end sentences. Think like that so you don't mess with them. Oh, okay. Gotcha. So, what else do I want to learn? You know what? I think we're gonna make... Yeah, screw it. Let's make a factorial function real quick. So int factorial int x and if x is equal to 0. Oh, wait a minute, hold on. Return 1. Okay, we can't do that. Alright, I'll do ternary later. So coot. That's what I'm gonna call it, coot. Factorial whoops. Let's just do something like, let's do 3, because we would get 6. Alright, we do get 6. So let's do 4. So that way we should get 24. Yep. Okay, how is it pronounced then? Because I pronounce OUs like ooh. I mean, I imagine it's supposed to be C out. Okay, yeah, that's what I figured. Alright, I want to make a range function. I think I have to do... Let's see what enums are. Oh, count console output. Gotcha. Okay, that makes sense. Let's do something like data types. We have int, float, double, char. Okay, so pretty much the most similar stuff to C sharp really is all this. It's pretty much the same thing. Woohoo, got that right. Okay. So we have... So what if I do something like... I don't know, 20. Okay, we get a negative number. Why? I'm assuming it has to do with a problem in the recursion. Hold on. I get negative number. I get a negative number in C++ with factorial. Obviously. Make a book list to add a book, remove a book, and view all books. That's a good idea. But we're going to spice it up a little bit. We're going to do it in classes, or objects and methods. So I'm assuming it's just class bookshelf. All right, you know what? Let's go to W3 for a minute. Objects, objects, objects. Public. Oh, okay. Mm -hmm. What do I want to do actually? You know, we'll deal with bookshelves later. Let's just do like a regular function. So, void add to bookshelf, and this will be an array called string books. Let's get rid of that real quick. And basically, we are going to type in books.append. We'll do book. No append. What's wrong with append? Why the angry face? What is this for, then? What the? I didn't know I was coding in PHP again. Alright. A vector string books. What is that like? Vector string books. Wait, hold on. Am I making a stack? Is that what it is? So like if I want to access a book in the stack, I have to take all the other ones prepending it out and then take that book out and put the other ones back? Is that what I'm doing? Oh, okay. I've never worked with a stack before. So vector is a is it like a list pretty much? Is that what it is? Okay. Okay, gotcha. So it's not like a regular array. Gotcha. Okay, so books dot append. Are you guys gonna kill me again if I put append? Yeah, no, you guys will definitely kill me. What the? No, cancel. Oh, so adding to a string, gotcha. Okay, well in C sharp, it's usually dot add like this, but I don't think it's gonna be like that in here. So push back. Okay, hold on. Vectors, okay. Include vector, vector string cars. Cars dot front, cars dot back. Get the second element, get the third element. Okay. You need a string book to take that as input and then push back. Okay. Well, I might... So I'll keep this as an input. And then I will have like all my inputs and output in the main function. So then books dot push back add vector elements. Push back, okay. Oh my gosh, I'm an idiot. What was I doing? There we go. Okay, so that's why I was getting that little squiggly line. This was just like a normal array up here. Okay. And, so void remove from bookshelf. Books dot oh, what was the other one? Pop. All right. Let's see. Remove. So I'm assuming you can't move back. You can't pull or remove an element at a index position. So I would actually have to treat this like a stack. Okay. So what I can do then is I can take 4. You know what? I'm going to call this bookshelf because on string. Oh, okay. Wait a minute. So what I'm going to do here is book chosen book. Oh, whoops. If book chosen book. Is there not a triple equal operator? I guess not. Okay. Then what I will do is I'll remove that book. So, book shelf dot pop back. Now, does this return anything? It's a void, so it does not return a thing. So I need to figure out how to put that book. Oh, wait, I have the book right here. Okay. And then, I want to make a vector out here. So vector string removed books. Right. But if I'm treating this like a stack, then I should remove those books that aren't the book, or that are the book. Wait a minute, what? Okay, now I'm confusing myself. Hold on. Do I know HTML? Yeah, I do. Oh, I got 7 viewers. Nice. Vector has an erase method. Does erase remove by name? Okay. So if book is equal to chosen book, then book shelf dot erase book. Huh? Why am I running a loop? Oh wait, shoot, I don't have to do this like a stack anymore. Okay, hold on. Bookshelf dot erase book. Look, man, I was treating this whole thing like a stack, so I was thinking, okay, well, I gotta remove the other books before it first. Okay. String vector. Better yet, I'll just do it right here. Erase. Vector erase. C++. Oh, okay. Okay. I see. Gotcha. All right. Bookshelf dot begin. Couldn't I just do bookshelf dot at and pass in a chosen book? I cannot do that. Doesn't at return the index? Oh, no, it doesn't. It returns the element at the index. Never mind. Alright, so just begin, is that all I really need? You can use find to get the element. I'm just gonna go back here. Vectors. Wait. Okay, I don't even know why I tried that out. For string book, bookshelf. Or wait a minute, hold on. I know what to do. Int I is equal to 0. I is less than bookshelf dot size. Then I plus plus. And then I'll just basically find it, and I'll break out a loop and then use I to remove that book. Okay, so what am I gonna do? Okay, if bookshelf at index I is equal to chosen book, then bookshelf dot let's see, what was it? Erase I. That's it, right? Does it have to have the dot begin? It does. Okay, so if I wanted to remove from hold on. So vector string my books book 1, book 2, book 3, book 4. Okay. Oh, don't forget the semicolon. Woohoo. All right. And string, whoops, chosen book is equal to book 3. So I want to remove book 3. Excuse me for I to scratch my nose. And then I want to remove from bookshelf my books and then chosen book. And then see out my books. What is the matter now? Okay, I'll just do a for loop. Well, whatever this is, it seems to work. Okay, so it did not, in fact, remove book 3. Why are you doing namespace STD? Because someone in the chat told me to earlier. Let me see who did it. Yeah, Awake said for me too. Alright, let's actually see. Why did it not remove that book? Passed by reference. Okay, so that didn't remove anything. Oh, okay. So this is gonna erase everything then. Alright, you know what? Here's the deal. I'm gonna remove this for now, and I'm gonna do some more practice with vectors. So that way I know what I'm actually doing. So vector int numbers equal to 8, 9, 10. Now, vector, or no, I'm sorry, numbers dot erase. Undo real quick. Okay. You didn't complete it. What do you mean? Well, basically, so I have my books here, book 1, 2, 3, and 4. I decided to choose book 3, so I removed from bookshelf book 3. And, well, if I run it, it's still in the vector or list. Basically, that's the issue. I'm assuming because erase gets rid of the first elements. So I choose book 3 and it should get rid of the first 3 elements. Okay. Try erasing from a vector. Okay. So now I'll just comment this out for now. And same with this. And then I'll just make a new vector called numbers. Vector int. Whoops. Numbers And let's see, numbers dot erase. One, two, three, four, five. Okay, let's try this one. Don't run. Oh, I didn't even see that message yet. I'm sorry, dude. Okay, yeah, so it removes so 0, 1, 2. Okay. So this is the index position it's actually gonna remove. Okay. But why do you need numbers dot begin? Like, why can't I just put in 2? Because it's where it starts. Okay. Gotcha. Okay, that makes sense. Okay. So, back to the bookshelf. Alright, so int I is equal 0, I is less than bookshelf.size, I increments, bookshelf at index position I equals book. If so, then bookshelf.erase, bookshelf.begin plus I. So if that's the case, then why isn't it working? Because by this logic, it's going to check every single element in the vector, and if the element is equal to the chosen book, then it should remove it, but it does not. I hope you get better. Hey, I mean, we all start somewhere. Like I said, this is my first time ever really programming in C#. Or I'm not C#, C++, sorry. I program in C#, though. It's what I'm more used to. I passed a copy instead of a real. You pass a copy instead of real. Pass vector as reference. Oh my gosh, mine's with the $1 or means. I hope I said it right. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. And my book. Okay, so pass vector as reference. I mean, when you say pass vector as reference, so like, I'm not a game developer. I'm actually a web developer and just like, I don't know. I mean, right now I'm doing a lot more web development than actual programming, so it's probably why I'm doing so piss poor at this right now. Do and my books. Like right here. Is that what you mean? Or is it up here? Alright, bro, I'm going. Good luck with learning. Thank you. Yeah, I'm asking, how do I get the memory address, dude? I mean, look, so I mean, at least in C sharp, all I have to do is just pass in the list. Oh, okay. GG. So that works. Okay. Hey, I got it. See, I told you guys I'm not. It's my first time, you know, coding in C sharp, so or C plus plus. Damn it. But yeah. All right, so we got that. Was that your first super chat? Actually, yes, it was. And I'm actually surprised. I've never had anyone donate to me in a stream like that before. Thank you so much, dude. Oh, you're awesome for that. Give me 1 second. For how long have you been doing this? Literally, how long have we been streaming now? 58 minutes. I have 58 minutes of total C++ programming time in my entire lifespan right now. Yeah, I said I was bare bones new. Yes, this is literally my first time. I'm more experienced in languages like Python and C sharp from the programming side. If we're talking about scripting languages, I'm pretty okay with JavaScript, and I'm pretty good with PHP at the moment. Oh, the streaming part. No, I've been streaming for a while. I have a few other streams that are saved on my channel of me building my website and Discord bot. How long has it been? This stream's been going on for about an hour now. But, I mean, I've been doing YouTube for a couple of years now, if you're talking about my channel as a whole. Anyway. Okay, well, I got a bookshelf working, so let's take away book 1 this time. I want to read book 1. Hey, book 1 works. Perfect. So, you know what? I can design a function that takes out the, whatever you call it, an element from a list. So, let's do that, actually. So, void remove from vector, vector string vector array, and we will access the actual memory address, which I did not know you have to do in any language, actually. Usually you just pass in the array itself. And then, is there a dynamic type? I'm actually curious. Hold on. Include. Okay, so it doesn't look like C++ has a dynamic type like C sharp. Does C++ have a dynamic type? Okay, well, void doesn't make sense. What did I do here? Oh. For int I is equal to 0. Alright, screw the books. Who cares about that? This is awesome. Okay. Alright, so vector string. Uh, let's do let's do characters. Whoops. A, B, C, D, E, F. And then, terminate that statement. What's wrong with this? Oh, whoops. Chars. No instance of constructor. Alright, let me get rid of this real quick. So why doesn't that work? It'll work if I do string. Alright, whatever, we'll do that. And then remove from vector. We're gonna remove the letter C. Okay. So is that why? Yes, it was. All right. Could not convert. Oh well. It's tiring. Ugh. Oh, what the heck? Uh, is that what it was? No, that's not what it was. Alright, well, I'll tell you guys what. I'm probably gonna look more at this tomorrow, and I might stream tomorrow night as well. But, I'll see you guys later. Thank you guys so much for watching my stream. You all have a wonderful night.